So we are going to show you an easy peasy recipe on how to make peanut brittle. It's so easy, Ari's going to do it. The recipe is actually from my best friend who passed away many years ago, and he taught me how to make this recipe with his grandmother. And I always remember this recipe and make it as much as I can. I haven't made it in a really long time, so we're gonna do it now. But it's microwave peanut brittle. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and put in 1 1/4 cup of peanuts. So go ahead and put the peanuts in, Ari, in the bowl.
This?
Yep. And a 1/2 cup of Karo syrup. Make sure all of it gets out of there. Use the spoon if you have to. Like scoop it out of the, there you go. Now you're going to stir that up just to get all the peanuts, syrup, and sugar mixed in. Get it out and stir a little bit more. And see, it's starting to bubble a little bit. Stir quickly, just real quick, and put it back in. Okay, put it back in. Another 60 seconds. Okay, I think it's because it's cold. We're going to have to do another 30 seconds. Once it's all mixed in, you gotta work quickly because it's starting to harden. You're gonna go ahead and put it on either a Silpat or wax paper. You're gonna go ahead and spread that out. Could have been a little bit longer in the microwave because it's a little light for peanut brittle, but you don't want to burn it either. So this could have went on for maybe another 30 seconds, but it's fine. So you're gonna smooth it out. You don't want any gaps, but you want it as smooth as possible. And then you're gonna go ahead and let that sit and cool. And once it's finished, I will show you the finished product of the peanut brittle. It's really super easy to break up. So we're gonna go ahead and make one more batch, probably So this is the finished product. You just wait till it dries, break it up into a whole bunch of pieces. I'm putting it in cute little packages with bows. I will show you what that looks like at the very, very end. Be sure you like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more. I'm going to be doing lots more holiday crafts coming up soon. And if you aren't subscribed to my husband's channel, The Kilt Guy, be sure you subscribe to his channel. He does tons of food reviews, and we're actually doing a Vlogmas. So one video every day up until Christmas. So I hope you guys really like this video. And I hope you guys have a great, happy holiday. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.